Hello and welcome to this professional development mini course titled The Digital Substitute Delivering Lessons via VoiceThread. Today I am going to introduce you to an online tool that can be used to deliver content to your students when you are absent or want your students to independently work on assignments. VoiceThread is a website where you upload a previously created PowerPoint presentation and add text, voiceover, or video to the slides to enhance the presentation. Please make sure you have printed the handout that was sent to you via email, or you can access the handout through our course page at www.thedigitalsubstitute.weebly.com. First, let's view an example presentation I've created so you can really get an idea what VoiceThread is.
Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry I can't be there with you today, but I have for you a VoiceThread lesson so we can continue on with our discussions about the sun, earth, and moon. Today, our lesson is going to be about introducing the sun, earth, and moon system. Please read the focus question as I read it aloud. What do you know about the sizes, motions, and positions of the sun, earth, and moon? Today's lesson is going to be all about what you already know so that we can continue with things that we may not already know. For today's lesson, you're going to need your student textbook, your science notebook, and something to write with. Let's get started. Alright students, today we are going to be looking at lesson outcome number 1. Demonstrate what you know about the sun, earth, moon system using a simple model. Students, please open your student textbook to page 4, and we're going to follow step 1. Please read the 4 statements located on page 4. You have picture references located on the slide, and rate the confidence in your answer from a scale of 1 to 4, 1 being the least amount of confidence you are, and 4 being the most confident. Alright guys and girls, we're going to do 2 things today. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your textbook to page 8 and 9, and you're going to read the article Folklore Making Sense of the Skies. Now this article is a little crazy. It's got some good tales in it of how people in ancient cultures, what they thought whenever they saw different things happening in the sky with the sun, earth, and moon. Your teacher's going to give you about 10 to 15 minutes to read this article and really absorb it. Make any notes you need in your science notebook. Then I want you to discuss with your group your thoughts on the article. Do any of these stories sound true? Do they sound made up? Are there any that are actually like what we experience today? What do you think those phenomenons could have been that those ancient cultures were seeing? Share your thoughts in your notebook and also with your group. Alright guys, for our second part of our activity today, I need you to turn to the next clean page in your science notebook and label it 1.1. I'm going to shorten the title for you to What I Know, and I want you to take your notebook page and just divide it into 4 separate boxes, and you can label them 1, 2, 3, and 4. So get this step done, and then your teacher will advance to the next slide to tell you what you're going to do on this page. Alright guys, for the last assignment we have today, you're going to take your notebook page that we just set up, and you're going to model what you already know about the sun, earth, and moon system. These can be individual facts about the sun, the earth, the moon, or about how they all relate to each other. Make sure that you use both words and pictures in your notebook. This will be checked for a notebook grade tomorrow. Good luck.
Now that you have viewed an example presentation, let's sign up for a free account. To get started, we need to log on to www.voicethread.com and create an account. I would suggest using an email account where you regularly check emails such as your school account. There is a place on your handout for you to record the email and password you decide to use. There are a few different types of accounts you can choose from. A free account is perfectly fine. However, you cannot upload several presentations on the free account. If this tool proves to be something you and your colleagues would want to use more, I would suggest contacting VoiceThread for a district account. After creating an account, you will receive a confirmation email with the link to confirm your account. Once you've created an account and signed in, Here on your homepage, you will find any presentations you've created and saved. You can also browse through VoiceThreads created by other people and create your own VoiceThread presentations here. In the next video segment, we will learn how to upload media into the website. If you need any additional help with logging in or creating an account, please access the help section of the course website or your handout.